Hey, so this is just off the back of that post I put about being able to use sprites to use like a separate sprite just for the head section, and then have that work on a sort of timer tick scenario to allow sprites to swap between blink, not blink, which means that instead of needing to interpolate blink sprites in the middle of your sprites flipbook, you can essentially just have a separate sprite overlaid on top just for the head, working on a timer through a macro that checks whether you're blinking. If you're blinking, if the blinking variable is true, open your eyes. If the blinking variable is false, close your eyes and just run a timer. So if I just click this now, you'll see it's on the left, you'll see the eyes change like that on a random float range between 3 and 5 seconds, and then on the right you see the macro. So the blink function is essentially just this. So checks whether you're blinking, branch, feeds it through as a variable. Sprite head is just the head sprite on the left, and the top one is, what is it? So eyes open, eyes closed, and then updates the variable to be if their eyes are open, then they're not blinking. If their eyes are closed, then they are blinking. You can't put a delay in a function, at least not straightforwardly. So then I feed the function into a macro with a range between 3 and 5 seconds random, so it looks a bit more natural. And yeah, if you just watch the eyes on the left, you can just see it bounces between it. It did decide to blink for like a solid bunch of seconds then. So yeah, I'll need to tweak the eyes closed random floating range to probably half a second. So then the blink is really quick. But yeah, that's it.